Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Roukle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic Components of Nonverbal Communication on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Roukle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Dash dash signifies body language which includes postures, gestures and facial expressions. Options are A. Written communication, B. Verbal communication, C. Non-verbal communication or D. Formal communication. Correct option is C. Non-verbal communication. Question number 2. Non-verbal communication has dash dash components. Options are A. 3, B. 4, C. 5 or D. 6. Correct option is C. 5. Question number 3. What are the components of non-verbal communication? Options are A. Written, oral and spoken, B. Letter, email and report, C. Movements of hands, lips and eyes or D. Connexus, proxemics, chromatics, paralanguage and appearance. Correct option is D. Connexus, proxemics, chromatics, paralanguage and appearance. Question number 4. What are the components of connexus? Options are A. Formal and informal, B. Interview, group discussion and seminars, C. Gestures, postures, facial expression and body language or D. Oral and written. Correct option is C. Gestures, postures, facial expressions and body language. Question number 5. Facial expression, gestures, movements, posture, eye contact are called dash dash of body language. Options are A. Elements, B. Parts, C. Signals or D. Chief attractions. Correct option is A. Elements. Question number 6. What do you call movements of hands, arms or head? Options are A. Gestures, B. Posture, C. Appearance or D. Nodding. Correct option is A. Gestures. Question number 7. What kind of message is given through shaking a fist? Options are A. The person is happy, B. The person is nervous, C. The person is angry or D. The person is disagreeing. Correct option is C. The person is angry. Question number 8. What kind of message is given through nodding head? Options are A. Anger, B. Agreement, C. Disagreement or D. Unpleasant mood. Correct option is B. Agreement. Question number 9. What kind of message is given through shaking head? Options are A. Disagreement, B. Agreement, C. Interest or D. Enthusiasm. Correct option is A. Disagreement. Question number 10. What kind of message is given through shrugging, that is to lift shoulders slightly? Options are A. Keen interest, B. Lack of interest or knowledge, C. Pleasant mood or D. Agreement. Correct option is B. Lack of interest or knowledge. Question number 11. Fiddling with an object dash dash the audience. Options are A. Tempt, B. Appeal, C. Attract or D. Distract. Correct option is D. Distract. Question number 12. What does posture reflect or what is posture? Options are A. Body position, B. Movements of hands, C. Eye contact or D. Blow a whistle. Correct option is A. Body position. Question 13th. What component of nonverbal communication reflect our state of mind and attitude? Options are A. Paralanguage, B. Chronemics, C. Posture or connexus, or D. Proxemics. Correct option is C. Posture or connexus. Question 14. What does a straight, erect posture convey? Options are A. Lack of interest, B. Confidence, C. Discouraged, or D. Frustration. Correct option is B. Confidence. Question 15. Postures like drooping shoulders, yawning, and protruding stomach convey dash dash mood. Options are A. Discouraged, tired, bored, and worn out. B. Unhealthy and joyous. C. Happy and healthy, or D. Encouraged and polite. Correct option is A. Discouraged, tired, bored, and worn out. Question number 16. We must dash dash stiff, uncomfortable, or tense posture. Options are A. Imitate, B. Accept, C. Follow, or D. Avoid. Correct option is D. Avoid. Question 17th. Looking straight into the eyes and saying something signals dash dash. Options are A. Distrust, B. Disbelief, C. Trust and truthfulness, or D. Mistrust. Correct option is C. Trust and trustfulness. Question 18th. Which body part can express focus, receptiveness, or distance in communication? Options are A. Hand, B. Eye, C. Neck, or D. Thumb. Correct option is B. Eye. Question 19th. Eyes are the biggest feedback maker for a dash dash. Options are A. Author, B. Leader, C. Receiver, or D. Sender. Correct option is D. Sender. Question 20th. Non-verbal signals can be used only in dash dash type of communication. Options are A. Oral, B. Written, C. Formal, or D. Informal. Correct option is A. Oral. Question 21. If the eyes of the recipient wear a black expression, it means the message has been dash dash. Options are A. Clearly understood, B. Not received or comprehended, C. Crystal clear, or D. Interesting and joyous. The correct option is B. Not received or comprehended. Question number 22. Rubbing or closing eyes or looking down continuously indicates dash dash of the listener. Options are A. Anxiety and confidence, B. Confidence and sincerity, C. Confidence and interest, or D. Nervousness or lack of confidence or insincerity. Correct option is D. Nervousness or lack of confidence or insincerity. Question number 23. Ideal communication always dash dash fidget in the chair and sitting with crossed legs. Options are A. Display, B. Monitor, C. Follow, or D. Avoid. Correct option is D. Avoid. Question 24. The distance that we keep from others during the communication process is called dash dash. Options are A. Connexus, B. Proxemics, C. Appearance, or D. Paralanguage. Correct option is B. Proxemics. Question number 25. Dash dash shows the relationship we share with the receiver of the message or the subject we are discussing. Options are A. Appearance, B. Paralanguage, C. Connexus, or D. Proxemics. Correct option is D. Proxemics. Question 26. Anthropologist Edward T. Hall has categorized the dash dash zones of proxemics. Options are A. 5, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 6. Correct option is C. 4. Question 27. What are Edward T. Hall's zones of proxemics? Options are A. Intimate, personal, social, and public, B. Verbal and non-verbal, C. Formal and informal, or D. Private and public? Correct option is A. Intimate, personal, social and public. Question 28. What does chromatics deal with? Options are A. Place of communication, B. Manner of communication, C. Time given to conversation, or D. Action of communication. Correct option is C. Time given to conversation. Question number 29. Dash dash deals with vocal qualities like volume, pitch, rate, pronunciation, stress and intonation. Options are A. Paralanguage, B. Multilanguage, C. Mother tongue, or D. Metalanguage. Correct option is A. Paralanguage. Question number 30. The quality of the voice determines the dash dash of the message. Options are A. Aim, B. Purpose, C. Effectiveness, or D. Importance. Correct option is C. Effectiveness. Question 31. High pitch reflects helplessness, tension and dash dash of the speaker. Options are A. Strain, B. Pleasure, C. Stress, or D. Nervousness. Correct option is D. Nervousness. Question 32. What kind of appearance is needed during interviews, presentations or official meetings? Options are A. Informal, B. Formal, C. Colorful, or D. Casual. Correct option is B. Formal. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.